How to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 in iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings and from here simply tap on General. And here once you are in the General section, simply scroll down and tap on Software Update. Now here in this section, if an update is available, simply install the latest version to ensure compatibility. And after that, you can simply go back to the settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Now here, you can simply tap on payment and shipping. And after that, you can simply add your payment method right here. And once you're done with that, you can simply exit the settings app and open the App Store. And once you have opened the app, you can simply search for Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. And once you search for it, on the result page, you simply need to scroll down and find the game and download it. But this game is a paid version, so you need to complete your payment before downloading it. And that's it. Once you have downloaded it, you can enjoy the Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.